Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to add your multiple emails to your mail in your iOS. So for that, we'll first have to go to settings here. Now we'll just go to mail here. And now we'll just select the accounts option just here. And you can just clearly see that there is an add account option, by clicking on which we can select whichever account mail ID you have. Based on that, I'll be using the Google one. Now enter your email address you want to add. For example, I have just entered the Tutsark email ID and entering your password. After it is verified, it will get access to your mail and calendar, etc., and you'll allow that, and just like that. Now here, remember, if you want to open your notes in that particular Gmail, you have to own that option. And for calendars also, you just add it to your iPhone. And if you don't want it, you can just deselect it. Similarly, your contacts and your mail, everything will sync. So you'll just have to then press the save option, and the account has been added. Here you can even check in your mailbox, you'll have Gmail add. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Bye.